So today in our session, already we know that. So in this table, so what was the scenario that we have done? So in this table, this is the second row, and I want to sort the name of the product and change the color, right? And change the color of the shoe from black to brown and size of the shoe, and verify the price of the shoe and store the description, right? This is the scenario that we have already done. Now, what if it is the person, I mean, Prestige ballot bargue has been gone to the, there is a four rows, right? If it is go to the third row or fourth row, so consider that this is a dynamic table. I mean, this table is, today, this is a dynamic table and this table is static, means whether the rows that are added that are present as it is, right? But in the real time, if you come across a table which is a dynamic name, every day some new rows getting added, right? So till now, whatever you have done is a static table and you know in which row the product is there. So here, consider it is a dynamic table in which row you don't know where is the value. So today you are seeing Prista's ballot bargain and here four rows. And tomorrow it is in second row, I mean third row, it is in fourth row that you don't know. So an interviewer will ask you, consider there is a table. The table is dynamic and in this table there is a product. The name of the product is Prista's ballot bargain. And that product is present in which row? That I don't know. I want to get all the details of the particular product. Okay. Just assume Um, today we are not seeing in second row. We are seeing in third or fourth row. Okay. So what I'm doing here, just copy this one. Paste it. So this is the dynamic table. Okay. So here I don't know which row is present, right? So we will use here constraint action modes. So just choose that $1. Okay. And here I'm using shoe name. I want a prestige ballot bargain. Constraint. So what I am saying to Tosca, select the table. In that table, in one row, there is a product name. Okay. So the color, size, of product wants to change and wants to verify the price and buffer of description. So table is a dynamic, but I don't know that product in which row. Okay. So if you aware of the roll number, then no need of using action mode. So just I'm using. Let me try. See what I'm saying here. Table is a dynamic, but I don't know the product in which row. If you're aware of the roll number, then no need of using action mode constraint. So constraint mean what? What is the meaning of constraint? If you, you are giving limitations. Construction constraint is nothing but limitations or restrictions. So it means you are limiting the search, restricting the search. So only to printed ballot bar queue. Just what I'm saying. So there are four rows here, right? In a table, there are four rows. So in all rows, printed ballot bar queue. So it will go and search where is the printed ballot bar queue. When it found out the product, it will constrain and it will stop the searching. Just execute this test case. It will fail. Why? Because could not find row $1 using constraint. Shoe name equals printed ballot bargain. Because I'm searching in first row. Okay. I was thinking today I'm seeing printed ballot bargain in the first row, but it's not there. So tomorrow, it is. It is. It moved to second row. Okay. How I'm searching here? Just put it here. $2. Okay. Then see what happened. So it's there. If I put $3, okay. Could not find $3. See constraint when you don't know the product name, which in which row it is present. Then only we can use a constraint action mode. Otherwise, we can't, we won't use that constraint action mode. Okay. So next scenario is, so dynamic table along with the multiple occurrences. For example, there is a table and the table is a dynamic table. In that table, there is a product called Priestess Ballet Bargain. So I'm telling to Tosca, give me the details of Priestess Ballet Bargain in this table, which is present in the third occurrence. So it means Priestess Ballet Bargain in this table, okay, there are two records. Two records we are seeing in same table. For example, there is an employee table. One name is Afroz. So duplicate name another is Afroz. So there is a probability to have the same records, right? So I'm telling, get me the details of Afroz. It will show two records. I know which Afroz I want. Then I ask, get me the details of Afroz who's present in third occurrence or second occurrence. So similarly, in this table, I ask, can you get me the details which are present in the first occurrence or second occurrence or third occurrence? So for that scenario, what you will do, just copy multiple occurrences. See here, I'm going to select the shoe name, Christie's Ballet Bargain. Giving a constraint. Okay. So what is the meaning of constraint? Limitations. I'm putting the limitations to search that product name. Shoe name. So here, so next what I will do. So I want, in a table, there are something, three records. Okay. So three records, duplicates records are there here. Not, now currently we are seeing only one record, Christus Ballet Bargain. But just assume there is a three records. So I want second occurrence. I mean, first, Afros 1, Afros 2, Afros 3. There is an employee table. So Afros 1 means there is a first duplicate record, second duplicate record, third duplicate record. So I want second duplicate record Afros. If I want second, uh, if I want second record, what you need to do? Just here you need to mention hashtag 3. Sorry, hashtag 2. It means right now we don't have duplicate record, just assume it, okay? I will put here hashtag 2. So what it means, second occurrence record, I want that, Priestess Ballet Bargain. But it will fail because I don't have any duplicate records in my table. That's why. So just execute this test case. If it is a duplicate record in this table, it will pass. See, it will fail because there is no duplicate records and there is no occurrence, second occurrence. So could not find hashtag 2 using constraint. So hashtag, when we are using hashtag, so in case we have two same names in the table and you want to vary first one in the table, then you can use hashtag to find the first occurrence or any number of occurrence. That time only we can use hashtag. Hashtag always, uh, row one starts from header. Okay. Already I sent a screenshot of Excel, right? So if I put this here, hashtag one, let me see, because I have only one record, right? See, it's there. That's why it's executed. If I put three, hashtag three, then it will fail because there is no third duplicate record in my table. There is only one record. That's why hashtag one is accepted. Hashtag two, it won't accept, and hashtag three also it won't accept because only one record it's there, right? Could not find third occurrence one. So this is see in three scenarios, whatever we have done, there is no difference. But we develop the script only in the point that we as we change. Okay. So for example, there is a one table. So but we I mean there is a table in that of rows, but we don't know how many records are there. So today two records are present. Tomorrow one new member is joined. Another of rows is joined. So third record also available, right? So today hashtag 2 used and you get the details. Tomorrow hashtag 3 used and you get the details, right? But hashtag 4 used if there is a record, it will fetch or else it won't, right? So just note what I mean. There is one interview question. What is the difference between dollars and hashtag? So they will ask scenario based questions. So you will be careful when you give the answer. So dollar one means when we are using dollar, when you are aware of the row number, you will use the dollar. Hashtag means when you unaware of the row number, and if there are multiple occurrence, we will use the hashtag, which determines the index position. I mean number position. Just note down this. Generally, people confuse in dollars and hashtag. So even I am also confused in interview question. One interviewer, I mean, he is asked what is the difference between dollars and hashtag. I am also confused. Dollar means when you are aware of the row number, you will use the dollar symbol. Okay. Hashtag when we are using when you unaware of the row number and if there are multiple occurrences, we will use the hashtag symbol, which determines the index position. Okay. So this is the meaning of it. Dollars when you're aware of the row number. Hashtag when you're unaware of the row number, that time only we can use hashtag. And along with you put, I mean constraint. Constraint means uh, you are giving a limitations of the name because I mean when you put the constraint right, it will go and search. Okay, first record it's not there, second record it's not there, third record. Okay, there is a duplicate record. It's there. Okay, I want to give an output. So it will give if it is there. If it is not there, it won't give. Automatically your test case is failed. So this is our scenarios. So next I will give another example. This is the web table elements. You need to scan this application. I will send the link, okay? Just copy it somewhere. It is not a static, okay? It is dynamic. Always it will be changing. If you are, I mean, if you are practicing today, if you are creating by using this table, tomorrow it will not there. It will change the values, company name, everything it will change. So it is a dynamic table actually. Did you get it? Did you get it? What I've sent?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Scan application. After scanning, you need to select a table element. Select on screen, table. It is already unique. Just save it. Use it. Already we have seen table web table element. There is a table, right? So what I'm saying here, I'm going to use this test case, right? So here I'm giving a dollar one. Okay. So here I'm giving, for example, a dollar one only. Mm, something here. So, so what I'm saying, what I'm doing here, so there is a table, right? Here I'm giving a dollar one. Okay. I'm giving a cell. What is that cell? Dollar one means company. If you're not convenient with the dollar one, you can give a company name also. So there is no difference. If I give a $1, it will consider a first column. Okay. If I give a $2 in the place of a cell, it will consider second column. Okay. So if you're giving a $1, what happen? It will consider as a first cell. So then I'm just going to verify that NIIT Technologies, it is there or not, and it will go and verify it. Just I'm running stat book. If it is there, it will verify. If it is not there, it will not verified. It got pass. Verification was successful because that's why it is there only. If you are giving us instead of $1, if you're giving a company, then so, right? For example, you're giving a $2, then it got failed. Why? Because I'm giving the cell, second cell I'm giving. Then it will go and search in group column. Because I mean NIIT technologies, it's not there in second cell. It is there in first cell. So that's why my test case is failed. Now you got it right. So second thing, hmm, I'm giving a hashtag to company. Hmm, I'm giving the action mode constraint. So another, I mean, here, previous close, wall one, and I'm giving a buffer. So what I'm doing here, if I execute this test case, let's see. Why? Time techno class to name. So which scenario that I'm using here? Did you get it? What I'm doing here? Anyone?
No, we didn't got actually.
In this case, you have added hash 2, right?
Has to, but why it got failed? Has to.
Okay, sorry. $2 you have added, but this will take the second row, right? If in
Second row,
any case
okay.
when uh, the value changes, or we need to find a random value from this table. So
Previously has to, I put the has to, right? But it got failed. Next minute, what I've done? $2. Then it got passed. Why has to when I put that has to, but it got failed? Why?
Hash is got multiple things, right? If you have any repeated, then we use the hash.
Yes, correct. If there are multiple records, then it will show second occurrence. Okay. Because time Technoplast Limited, there is no records in my table. Only one record. At that time, only hashtag 2 we can use if there are multiple records. So next what happened? So $2 I put that because I know there is only one record. So that's why I put the $2 only. So next what happened? So company there is a time techno limited, time techno plus limited. So I'm giving a constraint action mode. I'm putting a limitations. So here there is a previous close. Okay. I'm choosing that cell previous close and giving a previous close value 1 because my scenario is okay. I know that company name time techno plus limited. Okay, I'm putting a constraint. I mean, I'm giving a searching limitations. So it will go and search $2. I mean, okay, time techno plus limited. Okay, it is in second row, but I don't know the value of previous close. I know the company name, but I don't know the previous close value. So that's why whatever it's there in my table, time techno plus limited of, I mean, previous close value, I want to see that value in my result. So that's why I'm giving a buffer. Okay. If you go in Scratchbook, it will show the value 892.9. Sorry. See, buffer viewer also you can see previous close value 1892.9. If it is a, for example, if I give hashtag 2 and if I give time techno plus limited, it will give the value of second occurrence previous close value. Okay. So currently there is no multiple records in my table. That's why it only give only one record value. Right? Let's just check if there are any. Sometimes what happen in this table, we get duplicate records also. But right now, see, there is two records. Just I'm checking. Okay. So what is my scenario? So there are two records, LIC housing fee and LIC housing fee. Okay. So what I'm telling to Tosca, there are two records in my table. So I know the company name of LIC housing fee, but I don't know value of that. So if I give hashtag 2, it will go and search a second occurrence and it will give 269.2. If I put hashtag 1, it will give the value of 904.5. Let's see the value. It got passed. See, 269.2, right? Second occurrence. If I give hashtag 1, then it will give a first occurrence value. So 904.5, we will get that. Nine zero four point five, right? So next, mm, I'm just deleting this one. Okay. I'm putting a syntax and I'm giving input. What I'm doing here? Anyone? Mouse over means what? Mouse over means previously it will give the result in Scratchbook, but now it will go this cursor what I'm moving here, right? It will go and it will show the value physically. Okay. Let's just check this test case. So this is my cursor, right? Right? Automatically it moved to previous close value. So it will, it's showing, okay, there is a first occurrence value, it's there. Okay, mouse over acts like that only. It will go and it will give, it will show like it's kind of highlighting. That's it. I'm executing once again. See, this is my cursor actually. It will go and it will show 904.5 physically. Then, right? Okay, I know it's not exactly, but we will give, if you want to see that physically, where is that value? instead of saying buffer wear. So this type of scenarios, I mean, number of scenarios are there. Um, so there is, I mean, I give a two table examples, right? One is as portal, as online show portal and web table elements. You can try anything by using these tables, and you can just think and write a scenarios, Kiran and Rajesh. Just use it. I mean, uh, you know the company name, but you don't know the current price. Okay, and but another scenario, you know the current price 713.7, but you don't know the company name. Okay, if there are duplicate records, it will fail. Okay, and at that time you should give hashtag. Okay, hashtag you should use that in that situation. And is there any doubts?
No, we'll try ourselves.
Yeah. So I have showed whatever the possibilities of scenarios. There are number of scenarios because it's depends on the situations and uh, like if you are thinking like by using this table, just think about the scenarios and you try it. Okay. So did you practice everything right, guys? Because already I was busy with my work, so it's benefit for you because you will get a practice time, right? Did you practice?
If you have time, can I share my screen and then I can
Yeah,
show
sure.
the error I'm facing?
Please.
Uh, I'm sharing my screen. Let me know it is once it is
Yeah,
visible.
it's visible.
Uh, yeah. So I have so the one thing is this one I have created. So when I
Okay.
execute this, the error which I showed is so I was getting that issue. Okay.
Um,
What I did is
Open URL. Okay.
open
Web
URL.
shop register. Okay.
Register, when I pulled, it was the list of items, but now it is showing only this register because in my model also, when I rechecked it again, there is this option, multiple option, but I'm not, I'm not know why this is
Just
coming.
give a right click. Register on register. Right click. Jump to module attribute. Okay, it's not showing. Okay, go to your test case.
And then what I did, uh, I put some wait time,
Debug. Okay.
and then here also, I selected male, female both, but I have added only select option for this ill male.
LP.
Uh,
Okay.
and here also I can see this male and female I have selected, right? But I'm not sure why that disappeared. And then all these things were in place also.
Mm. Mm. Mm, do one thing. Mm, so just take a module and whatever you are using, right? Register module, right? Take a module and use in your test case. Just drag and drop it.
Uh,
Because I
okay, so when I did second time with the same module, so see
it will show like
the multiple options the sections are not coming, only this is coming. That's what my
I
concern is
think.
why this is happening.
Mm.
This was the same home page, and then this is the registration one, And this is a successful screen.
Did you use something, any option like in views? I mean,
No, I have directly drag and drop. Uh, I'll show you again. See,
hmm, just click on that.
sorry.
Select on that test case. There is an option like show hidden columns. What is that? Why it's highlighting actually?
Where is it?
View. In view,
Yes, just okay.
uh, just select. Don't go there. Just
Uh,
select on that. There is in top of the screen, right? You are in view. So show hidden columns. It's not working.
now what?
Click on that.
I think
What's and why it's highlighting? I don't know that. Wait, there is a view.
these are the
Okay, click
columns
on it.
now. Huh?
Click on it. Here there is. I mean, show do nothing. Right? Just disable that. Huh. Go and explore that.
Okay.
Right. Right.
Okay.
You get it now?
Uh,
Hmm.
and what about this error? Uh, when shall I execute this one?
Yeah. A step value in the test step web shop register is not referencing a module attribute. T box. Uh,
If I shall I remove this T box?
yeah. Just remove that T box. Just minimize that everything. Like don't explore it. First, just show one by one. Open URL.
Okay.
Okay. Next, web shop. Click. Okay. T box. Wait. Just remove it once, please. Remove it. Delete it. Yeah. And next one, web shop. Okay. And next, web shop successful screen. Hmm. Next one, web shop logout. Okay. Close browser. Hmm. Okay. And please execute the test case. Unable to run the selected items. No feasible executor was found. A step A test step value in the test step web shop register is not referencing a module attribute.
Is this any cache issue or something?
Mm.
Because I've removed
Second one,
it.
web shop homepage, just click on that. Close that scratchbook, click on that. Do one thing, Kiran.
Uh,
So just, I mean, just do once again a full complete test case, okay?
okay.
Just create that I mean, you already created a module and create one test case just by using that module. Click one by one, okay? Open URL, right? Just execute that first test case.
Sorry, execute the first test case, huh?
Just open URL, click run in Scratchbook. No issue, it will show once again. Yeah. Okay. It will open and create second test case. There is a register, right? Use that module which you have a register.
Shall I close it? This one?
Yeah. Click on that. Yeah, click. Okay.
Execute.
Yeah, run in Scratchbook. I think it will be confused because in your browser there are two demo web shops. Yeah. No, don't close that one. Previous one. Yeah. Now go and execute that more than one matching tab. Execute once again. Right?
Okay.
And you have to use, I mean, third test case. What is that? Fields. Go to go to TOSCA tool. Close that Scratchbook. Please use that module.
Uh, shall I use this because I have added the
No,
variables
don't
and
use.
all?
Don't use because we already um you are getting error, right? So that's why. Yeah. Use that module. Go to your new test case. Yeah. Oh no, no. No, you are not doing a proper. you are doing on test step. Test case, new test case, right? There is a test case, but you are drag and drop on test. Yeah, right. What is the first test case that you have already put in first? I mean, first bottom line.
What is the
Click on
possibility?
that. Open URL. Before you open URL, what is the test case? Test step. Oh, go on. Open URL before that web shop pipeline you are giving, right? Why are you using that in the first place? Because there is no need, right? Just delete it. Yeah. And here you have to give a values. Give a click mail. First name. Do you have any equations which
Sorry,
is already noted? Syntax. I mean, random expressions are there
random.
on.
This one. Can you?
So,
I'll just
yeah,
copy in the group. Can you check
yeah,
this variable which I've added? It is correct
yeah.
or not? So
Just
as you said,
copy it and
this
just
one.
copy that syntax, okay, and paste in your new test case. Yeah, I'll check it once again. In first name, you are giving a number
Sorry.
because in first name,
Uh,
I'm saying capital A to capital Z, okay, and after that small a to small z. But
yeah.
again, you are giving plus, okay, 0 to 9 and 1. So you just want a one capital letter, one small letter, one number. This is your first name.
Uh, just a minute. What I'm typing here is. Yes.
One capital letter,
Sorry.
one small letter. Yeah. I mean, one capital letter,
One capital, four small,
one small,
and
and
one number.
one number. Okay. Then, okay, just give you a buffer.
Uh, okay. It's okay, right?
Yeah. Flower bracket. Yeah. B square bracket under square bracket, you should give a variable name. L underscore name. Yeah, buffer, action mode, email. Okay.
I'm I'm just putting as a this only the dummy data.
Email. Yeah.
Let us try. Okay.
Give a buffer. Yeah. Next, password. Okay. You should give a string. It will erase, and you should give another time. Change the values. Just give a buffer per password, something PWD or something. Just give a buffer. So you are doing something wrong here, actually. When you're using a buffer, right,
Huh?
Kiran?
Huh?
When you're using a buffer, right,
Huh?
I'm not noticing here. I just noticed when you're using action mode buffer, you just give your variable name. If you're using a buffer syntax, there is no need of action mode using buffer. You are giving, I mean, same, I mean, here two times you are using in your test step. I mean,
Okay.
just give a
Means
value.
here also, and I'm implementing here also. So the
No,
action mode.
see, I'm just, I mean, I just sent a screenshot.
That's why the reason it is causing an error. Here I'm using a buffer variable and action mode
You
also
just gave a
buffer.
screenshot.
Shall I remove here to
Hmm.
input?
Because I'm input, yeah. Just check the screenshot. Here I'm not using anywhere. I'm just giving action mode buffer. Here
Let's
I'm not using
try with
any.
this build and everywhere I have used this buffer as variable name over here, and only this place I have added this buffer.
Buffer.
That is okay, right?
Yeah. Let's try, okay?
Uh,
If it is not working, then we can change it.
this is okay, right? Directly
Confirm password, you should give a buffer value, right? You are
buffer.
storing a buffer, right?
Oh yeah, I have stored this buffer value and added this
Buffer
value.
value, and that buffer value you are giving whatever they are password storing, right? password generate the value, right? You are storing in PWD, and you should give a B square bracket PWD.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that value you are giving up to confirm password. Right. Why it came register underscore one?
Sorry.
Show me the demo web shop. Scroll down.
This register button.
Register underscore one. Why?
Huh?
You're changing the name or what?
No, no. I'm clicking here.
Okay, you are clicking here, but there is a name called register underscore one.
Yeah.
There is no register.
Yeah. I have picked this only. It just a second.
Show me that module.
Modular.
Huh. See, there is register underscore one. Show me the
Yes.
screenshot image. Just go and click on that image. Double click. Mhm. It will not show because there is a screenshot actually. It will not scroll down.
Oh.
Your module is something kind of wrong, Kiran, because there is a register in your
No, I
application.
have rechecked it again. This what I have. I also thought this maybe this register my underscore one may be the issue, but I when I rechecked it, it appeared again as well.
Mm. It will not go and click because in your module there is a register underscore one, but in your application there is a register. If you go and if you do a proper right, it will come. Just do it once again. I mean, just you have to do again, scan the application and do once
I
again.
rescan it and
Just do it once again. Before that, I mean, yeah, disable that. Before that, close that inception, whatever you have opened, right? Close that. And okay, open Xscan window. Open Xscan window. Select on screen. Register.
see,
On that register. Yeah,
this is only selected.
yeah. Just select it once again. This control can't be removed from the module. Disable that option.
It's not deselected. See,
Mhm.
here also it is showing the when I hover register underscore one.
Let me.
Did you notice?
Yeah, I'm noticing that. Don't do rescan. Okay. Just again, you should go and you should do a scan the application once again. Okay. Don't do it. Rescan. because there is something kind of errors are there. Do one thing, Kiran.
Uh,
Tomorrow you are free.
yes.
Shall we connect tomorrow?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
So
I also
tomorrow,
try from my side if I
yeah,
can.
you try it. If you're not, just scan the application from, don't do rescan option. Don't select that, okay? Just scan the application and identify it at all fields, whatever you want, okay?
Okay.
If if it is coming register one again, just we'll see tomorrow.
Okay. No,
If it is
what I
coming, right,
did,
just
after rescanning also, it is coming the same. Even I have did the whole set again, scanning from the scratch only. I have scanned this again, not the
okay,
rescanning one. Still, it was coming register underscore one.
okay. We'll check, oh, Kiran. Just do it same again, okay? If
Okay.
it is not coming from your end, then we will both see again, okay?
Okay, fine.
Together.
Okay.
And what about Rajesh?
Yeah, I'll share my screen.
Yeah. You're also facing the same issue or what, Rajesh?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Wait.
I'm not able to share my screen. Stop sharing.
No, there is an option, right? On
Uh,
top of the screen. Stop.
no, I'm getting, uh, but it is not allowing to stop.
Yeah.
Confirm now. Need to drop, I guess.
Yeah.
As I share the screen.
Yeah. It's visible, Rajesh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
show me your test cases.
So I did, other test cases got successful.
Yeah. Dynamic expressions. Yeah. Login and steps. Yeah. Register steps. Good. And registration completion. Logout. Did you use the buffer
Yeah, one more is there.
in registration steps, right? Yeah.
Here, registration steps. Yeah, because I bought separately.
Yeah. Just scroll down. Here it's showing register only. But I don't know why Kiran has got, that error register underscore one. Kiran, we'll see tomorrow from scratch, okay?
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, good, Rajesh.
Yeah, I need to work on tables. I'll start.
Mm. Yeah, okay, okay. Take your time.
Yeah. No, if you do any error in this, on syntax, will not get the results right. No, starting I faced so many issues. Then later I started to work on this notepad,
So you
the
mean you are
syntaxes.
giving you one
Yeah.
caps and three small letters?
Yes. And not like that. Syntax errors. If in case of flower bracket, if I give brackets and all, no, you'll not get the output right.
Ah, yeah. If you're not giving
Mm.
any one, one flower bracket or square brackets, anything is missing, right? It will not
Okay.
show the proper result. Okay, so you will get error.
Okay.
If you are giving
Yeah.
extra one also somewhere and in the end of the expression, right, it will give a full stop. You will get error.
Yeah.
So
Got it. Yeah.
syntax, you should give a proper one.
Okay. Yeah.
Clear, Rajesh?
Yes, clear. Yes, clear.
Yeah. And tomorrow, you want to connect Rajesh?
No, I have some work
Yeah. Okay. So
to come.
Kiran, we will see tomorrow. We'll both connect. Just try it. End of the day. try it once again from scratch. Okay. If it is not coming, just ping me. It's not coming. We'll see tomorrow.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Take care. Have a
Yes,
good
you
day.
too. Yeah.